Chapter 104 of the Quran is called Surah Al Humza, or the Slanderer. It consists of 9 verses. Here is a brief explanation of the verses in this chapter. Verses 1-3. Woe to every scorner and mocker who collects wealth and continuously counts it. He thinks that his wealth will make him immortal. These verses describe the characteristics and mindset of a person who is engaged in mocking and ridiculing others. The chapter starts with a warning, expressing woe and condemnation upon those who engage in such behavior. It highlights the arrogance and materialistic mindset of such individuals who accumulate wealth and count it obsessively, thinking that their wealth will grant them eternal life and power. Verses 4-5. No, he will surely be thrown into the crusher, and what can make you know what is the crusher? These verses emphasize that such individuals will face severe consequences for their actions. They will be cast into a crushing punishment or torment. The mention of the crusher is symbolic of a severe and painful punishment that awaits them. The exact nature of this punishment is known only to Allah. Verses 6-9. It is the fire of Allah, eternally fueled, which mounts directed at the hearts. Indeed it, i.e., hellfire, will be closed down upon them in extended columns. These verses depict the punishment of the hellfire that awaits those who engage in mockery and slander. The fire of hell is described as being fueled continuously, symbolizing its eternal nature. It is directed towards the hearts, signifying the intense and all-encompassing nature of the punishment. The mention of the hellfire being closed down upon them in extended columns signifies the overwhelming and inescapable nature of the punishment. Surah Al Humza serves as a reminder of the severe consequences of engaging in mockery, slander, and arrogance. It warns against the destructive mindset of valuing wealth and material possessions above all else. The chapter highlights the importance of humility, respect for others, and the transitory nature of worldly possessions. It serves as a call to reflect on one's actions and strive for righteousness and kindness towards others. Please note that this is a brief summary, and for a deeper understanding of the chapter, it is recommended to study the tafsir, interpretation, by scholars who have delved into the exegesis of the Quran.